Hey, what's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about smooth low portion, guys. Once again, I'm talking about the price prediction, the price update of a smooth low portion SLP coin. What's going on in SLP? What's the price changes occur in the SLP, and what's the future of SLP? SLP have a safe future or not? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about SLP coin, guys. Now guys, the live and latest price of smooth low portion in the market is about 0.103156 USD dollar. That is the right now price of smooth low portion. And furthermore guys, other side, on the other hand, if we talk about the changes, so guys, you can see here that's clear that from yesterday the changes of smooth low portion is again start positive, guys. Again, positive 6.7% positive changes from yesterday, and 0.6% positive changes occurring from last 1 hour. So these changes is going positive. That's mean if the changes is positive, that's mean that you are getting profit. Other side guys, you can see here, if we look the August month price chart, so the whole August the price of smooth low portion is completely decreased, completely the price falls down. But in a right now situation, if I zoom the price chart, so that's clear for everybody that after 8 September the smooth low portion SLP coin start pumping, guys. So now smooth low portion is again ready for a moon, guys. If you want to invest in a smooth low portion, or if you are already holder of smooth low portion, so now on the basis of latest update, I recommend for you to please hold for a long time. Hold it. You can see here the changes is still negative because in the previous time the very badly decreased, guys, the price. So hold it. Very soon the price changes will become positive, guys. Anyways guys, what is your prediction, what is your opinion, what you think about smooth low portion? Please also share in the comment box. My personal review about smooth low portion is positive, guys, because the price of smooth low portion very low, guys. Due to the low price, that's why I'm positive, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.